How to read, summarize, and ask questions about PDFs with DeepSeek AI. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can leverage DeepSeek's powerful AI, R1 and V3 models to extract key insights from PDFs, summarize documents instantly, ask questions about content, and even automate workflows for seamless productivity. So you can open DeepSeek on your web interface such as PC or laptop, or you can also use the mobile version. So simply download the application, log in with your account, and after that, you'll be able to see an interface like this. So what you're going to do is click on message over here, and then you're going to click on this plus icon, and here you're going to click on document and simply upload the PDF. So I have uploaded this PDF. It is parsing right now, and meanwhile, I'm going to type in message something like summarize the content from this PDF into short form, and then press send. So DeepSeek AI will analyze the PDF and just extract the important documents of it. And now you can see it's going to just summarize it for me, and you can ask questions about the PDF such as the important points. You can also ask DeepSeek AI to further elaborate the points for you. So that is basically how you can read, summarize, and ask questions about PDFs with DeepSeek AI. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.